This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Caesar salad without anchovies. First, let's craft that delicious dressing. You'll combine about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Then, whisk in 1 clove of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and a pinch of black pepper. For that savory depth, consider adding a teaspoon of caper brine or a small amount of white miso paste. Whisk everything until it's wonderfully smooth and creamy. Next up, let's make some irresistible homemade croutons. Start with about 4 cups of day-old bread, cut into 1-inch cubes. Toss these cubes with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Spread them evenly on a baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden and crispy. Let them cool completely before using. Now, let's bring it all together for your amazing Caesar salad. Take 2 heads of fresh romaine lettuce, wash them thoroughly, and dry them completely. This step is crucial for a crisp salad. Tear or chop the lettuce into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large mixing bowl. Pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of your delicious anchovy-free dressing over the lettuce. Gently toss everything together, ensuring every single leaf is beautifully coated with that creamy goodness. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your homemade Caesar salad. Transfer the dressed lettuce to a beautiful serving bowl. Generously top it with your crispy, golden brown croutons. For an extra flourish, sprinkle on some additional grated Parmesan cheese. If you're looking to make this a heartier meal, consider adding some perfectly grilled chicken or succulent shrimp. A final grind of fresh black pepper will complete this delightful, anchovy-free culinary creation. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.